Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make the easiest cold coffee. Take 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and sugar as much as you require. Add warm water to it and stir it till the coffee and sugar both dissolves. The next step is to dilute the coffee with chilled water. Taste and adjust the sweetness to your liking. Drop some ice cubes. Now add milk of choice. Ice cubes again. And finish it off by giving a last stir. Serve with a straw or drink it straight from the cup. Enjoy!